Welcome back. Don't promote your TikTok video immediately after posting. Always wait at least 2 to 3 minutes before you tap promote. Here is why. When you post a video, TikTok needs a short time to review your content. If you promote it instantly, TikTok may delay your adverts or not deliver it at all because the review is not complete. Okay? So always wait at least 2 to 3 minutes before promoting. Alright, this small step can make your adverts deliver faster and perform far better. So if you want to promote your video, you click on the video you want to use, for example, and then you click on this three line. So when you click on three dots, then you click on increase views. So this is where you will see all the details on how to run your ad. So we are still going to talk more better on this. This is what I want to talk about on this video. Alright, to know how many minutes you need to wait for. You need to wait for your video to be reviewed and be approved before you click on promote. Alright, so this is where you will select what you want to use to promote. So still make a proper video on how to run your ad to make sales on TikTok. So if you want more TikTok advert secrets like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss my next TikTok tips. Alright, thank you for watching.